Hello, welcome guys in our new tech channel. Uh, Today I'll discuss about Pinterest. Pinterest, how to create Pinterest account and how to use Pinterest. Pinterest is a visual discovery engine for finding ideas like recipes, home, and style inspiration and more. With billions of pins on Pinterest, you will always find ideas to spark inspiration. When you discover pins you love, save them to board to keep your ideas organized and easy to find. Pinterest is a social network that allows users to visually share and discover new interests by posting images or videos their own or others bought. Collection of pins usually with a common theme and browsing what other users have pinned. I think you understand Pinterest and you can uh, Pinterest and Pinterest is on Pinterest people feel safe to explore new ideas and try new things. They are looking for inspiration and they are looking for you to get started. You will need the Pinterest business account. It's free to sign up. It's fully free to sign up and you will get access to special content formats, customer analytics and more. Now I'll discuss about how to create Pinterest account. Just go to Pinterest website, enter your email, create a password and enter your yes. Simple. Just go to Pinterest, enter your email, create password and enter your yes. Click to continue, click next, click how to you identify, select your language and country region from the drop down menus. You can check select your language and country region from your drop down menus and select 5 or more topic what you like. More money you can choose some topics what you like to see in Pinterest and click done. It's simple. And now create a personal account. It's simple to create a Pinterest account. When you click to continue, welcome to Pinterest MD. Now we see the name, what's the name, and now select how do you identify male or female. We are male, so male, and select language English. I am Bangladeshi, so I am selected in my country language Bangladesh. You can check many languages, many languages here. You can select any one of this. Now we select, tell us what you are interested in. I am interested nature photography, so I select nature photography. Then I like vehicles, car, so I select vehicles. I like also soccer. I like play football, man, so I'm selected football also. And now I am seeing many items. Modify car I like also, that's why I selected modify car. Then trucks I like it. I like also electronics, muscle man, hiking, and see anything you can select anything. Here many character design I selected also character design I like it, and base photography also. Now get Pinterest on your phone. Here you see install your Google from Google Play and scan this QR code and log in, so you can easily use this Pinterest account in your phone. It's a simple, you can easily use in your phone. Now done, it's set, it fully set, all set. And now we can scroll down and see we have what are our interests. So my interesting topics are come in my front side. We can see now it's easy to please open everyone open account and subscribe our channel also. It's a new channel, so subscribe please. Also you can see many topics what we like, what we select. Here we can see many of topic we can see there. Many topic here we can see. Here was vehicles, bike, everything we can see. Here we can also upload anything like photo, anything. Need to select title, and here we can see our name also, what we select in Gmail. Drop to click upload, just drop here to click upload, and upload. Then many people see your also. And here also you can see video like recipe, how to cook etc. Our like we see shoe, you can see also shoe. Our here we like everything, you can see many thing here. So please create account and subscribe our channel. Thank you.